before we get into this video, I just filmed it, so my background is a disaster right now. I wanted to say that I'm not making fun of anyone in this video or making fun of people who do have different aesthetics. I'm making fun of myself because I am every single one of these things to the ultimate extreme. Putting all these outfits together was so fun because I normally try to like tone it down because I don't want to be categorized in those aesthetics, but I felt so good taking it like too far. It was a lot of fun for me. I'll have everything linked down below. Make sure to check everything out because these pieces are still really cute and I wear them all the time. I think it's important to have different aesthetics, and that TikTok trend that's going around is like, I can't pick an aesthetic to change my life, check. Like, you shouldn't have to pick one. That's what makes us different. If we all stuck to one aesthetic, it would be like Divergent, where you have to stick to one thing. Didn't you guys learn anything from that movie? I'm just joking. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in a bit.
Do you remember when it first night, September? Love was changing the minds, pretenders, while chasing the clouds away.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the choke. I was at a loss for words first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. If you're looking for in the daytime with a light,
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
you expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. What's the problem? I don't see the ring on your hand.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but parts of you rule my world.
Say what?
I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Ooh, baby, I be stuck to you like glue. Baby, wanna spend it all on you. Baby, my room is the G-spot. Call me Mr. Flintstone. I can make your bed right.